complicated question like people? No. No, eh? Okay guys, so the next thing, we are going to delete column that is not usable. For example, timestamp. Let's just delete the timestamp. Like delete everything. So now our column for A is not timestamp, but it is gender, for example. And if you have like informed consent, select the researcher, you delete that from the like Excel sheet here, because we are not going to put that in SPSS. That is just for my reference later. Okay? Yeah, delete everything that need to be deleted. Alright? Also, if you have like any short subjective question, for example, how many times you something and you ask them to write down their answer, you can also remove that because we cannot put that in SPSS. But you can use that to help you in your writing, to give you idea. So don't delete that question from your Google form, but delete from the sheets here. Okay, done? Okay, then did you guys really are currently looking at your shades? Are you guys looking at something else? Okay, proof. Okay, very good, Alright, make sure you guys try, okay? Make sure you guys try. Alright, so after that, we are going to do a little bit of coding. Not like coding, but just Excel coding. Okay? It's better to change here because it's so much easier as compared to if you want to change in SPSS. Because sometimes the SPSS version is just, a little bit slow. But Excel is fast. So, first of all, I want you guys to change at least one first line. For example, gender. Okay? So for Malay, male is this one, the lelaki, and female is the perempuan. So it's the same thing, male and female. This is in Malay. So I want you guys to replace. Okay. Some of you guys will find the same like interface as me, but some of you have different. Okay. So if your Excel is showing something similar as mine, you can just click home and see this, the find and select. Do you see my arrow there dancing? Yeah, there. So we are gonna click here and replace. Okay, so it says here find what. For you guys, I would recommend you to write female first, because if you write male, then it will become FE1. F1 because female. So you just write down female first, and you can do like a value of 1 or 2. It's really according to you guys. You guys want to do male 1 or female 1 or male 2 or female 2. It's up to you. If you want to do female as number 2, just type female 2 and then male 1. Okay? So I want to replace as well. Hold on. you guys can see here, my gender are all numbers only. Okay? If you guys cannot find, maybe you guys can find above here as well. You know, you have the edit, find, replace. You can also use this. Edit, find, replace. If you are using MacBook or iPad, maybe it's up there. Edit, find, replace. Okay, replace first. And after this, you guys can try to change for all. For ethnicity, for example, for religion, education level, if you have. But for today, I'm just going to show you for the gender. Alright? For the others, just the same thing. Okay, can we move on? Can. The next thing, can you guys see here? Okay, everyone look in front. You guys can see that these are all the exact question in my Google form, right? Yeah, these are all the question. But we don't want it to be like this, because if not, we cannot do analysis. We have to change it to coding. Okay, any number of code. So remember that my questionnaire is about coping strategy. I have 14 questions of coping strategy and 18 questions of well-being. So I'm going to change this to become CS1. Coping strategy 1. CS2. CS3 until CS14. Okay? So for example, like this, CS4, CS5, CS6, CS7, CS8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost there, 13, 14. No, I have 16, 15, 16. Okay guys, so after we finish this, I totally know that this is the starting for my well-being scale. You should also know. Okay, you cannot like, I forgot which one is the well-being, which one. If you forgot, you check again. Do not miss code. Okay, for example, this is well-being, but you write coping strategy 17, but actually your coping strategy, you have 16 questions only. So if you type it wrongly, the way that you compute later, all will be wrong. All. Literally your chapter 4, all chapter 4. So a bit dangerous. You double, triple check first. So for this well-being, I just want to do W. You can do WB. If you are doing academic performance, you want to do like AP, can. You don't have to make it too long. I know some of you are doing like this. For example, well-being question 1. Oh, don't have. Why you want to do like this? So long. So you just replace with the short one, but make sure you know and understand. For example, later if you read in your SPSS, W. What is W? I forgot lah. Forgot. You forgot, cannot. Cannot. So you can write down in your notebook first. I also write down in my notebook. For example, if I want to do like WB, it's about what? Oh, well-being. If I want to do about gender, I already write down here. Male 1, female 2. Because sometimes you prefer to do female as number 1. So take note of that. Okay, so now I give you 1 minute to change all of your coding for your questionnaire first. 2 minutes, 2 minutes.